So guys, I'll keep today's call pretty short and sweet on what we have going on here. Share with you some advancements at the marketplace, some things that we have in the works to really get us up and running. Some new pages and whatnot will help you guys share out the products from the marketplace to help you do some direct sales there, and then also just let you know how we'll be doing the shipping as well. We're going to institute just a flat rate shipping for everywhere in the United States, as we get these out, and we'll also let you know what other countries will be lining up here. So I'm going to get this recording started and just get us off to the races here.
Recording in progress.
Hello and welcome to the Friday Save Club webinar business opportunity presentation and update call. This is Charles Moy ringing in today from Istanbul, Turkey. Excited to share with you what's going on with Save Club here. We're on Friday, July 24th. Friday, as always, at Save Club is payday. We do payday every single Friday at Save Club. So if you do a commission check, we run those out and get paid various different ways here at Save Club, with through your ACH or through your credit card or debit card, or even in cryptocurrency if you like. Now, if you're just ringing in to this opportunity presentation for the first time, you're ringing into the Save Club opportunity presentation. Today we'll cover a bit about our product, what we're doing with this business opportunity, helping people save money on the things that they're already spending money on, and tying all this together in a fantastic global business opportunity where we've got so many different products we've lined up from different parts of the world to help you grow your income. Now, with Save Club, we've got over 1 million different destinations that you can be saving money with, from your travel, your dining, your shopping, entertainment. But recently, we launched a new marketplace that we're starting to load up with more and more products. There's already a couple hundred products in there now. I'm going to show you what this marketplace looks like and how you can start using it to grow your weekly checks. So inside of the back office, there's this area here, which is the marketplace, and you can find that right here underneath the home page. You scroll down, we got this special area. You'll see the marketplace tab here. And then when you launch the marketplace, it looks like this. Let me move this out of the way here as well. When you launch a marketplace, it looks like this. We've got our various different products here, from Averderm products to the new Sky Level products. And when you purchase the products here through the system, they get drop shipped to you. Your drop shipping may come from different vendors, as we're set up to bring in products from literally hundreds, could be thousands, could be tens of thousands of different vendors to the marketplace. Now, any one of these products, when you introduce somebody to the marketplace, when they order, you can get paid on their orders, and that also goes through their referrals and really everybody on the team. So this really does help Save Club become rich with different product offerings. Literally, there's no limit to the product offerings that we could have in here, from supplements to skin creams to virtual products, products like credit repair or webinar services, or digital products of all different kinds. So these is what we can look forward to as we're going to grow and grow the amount of products that are available here inside of the Save Club marketplace. And this goes along with the other offerings that we have from the back office, from our mobile app to our My Deals area, where we've got over 1 million different places that you can save on your dining and entertainment and travel and whatnot. to our exclusive deals. Now, more and more of our exclusive deals with Save Club are going to get pulled into the marketplace. So right now, you can get these incredible savings on exclusive deals right through the back office here. But as we continue to grow, you'll be able to offer these products through the marketplace. As you can see, the marketplace has more and more products growing in here. And we're going to just continue to drive this. And this will also help us reach new marketplaces, different places around the world that we can attract in entrepreneurs and open up different regions, different countries, and just get more and more opportunity for you to make money as there is really no limit to the amount of products that we can bring into the system here. Now, I want to tell you about some products that I've been developing here specifically for the marketplace. We've got a bunch of affiliates trying out these products now, testing them, and those are these products here from Sky Level. The Sky Level tinctures are phenomenal. Currently, as a Save Club member, you can purchase these products on the Averderm website. And if you're a Save Club member, you can get 70% off on these products here, the Chillax and Awaken. Now, what makes these products special is the way that they work. They work to act like this product here works to activate your brain in such a way where you feel it rapidly. Within minutes of consuming the product, you can feel the product working in your system and increasing your neurotransmissions, just giving you a sense of alertness and awareness. And it's not done with caffeine or stimulants. It's done with all these nootropic ingredients that have been broken down into these nanoparticles so that when you consume the product, it goes right into your mouth, right into your bloodstream, right through the blood-brain barrier, and they work extremely rapidly. So that's the power of these products here with Sky Level. Now that product there, the Awaken product, that's what that one does. This Chillax product works in a way that relaxes your tendons, your muscles, your joints, and it's done in a way not to put you to sleep. It's not a sedative product. It is a product that you can use to relax your joints and your tendons. If you've ever heard of the root kava, which is a root that's grown in the islands around Hawaii and Southeast Asia, we have a concentrate of the kava lactones that come from the kava plant. We then apply our double nanotechnology with all these other fantastic ingredients, and this product works very fast to chill you out. Again, there's nothing else out there like it in the marketplace. And as a Save Club member, you can get this product at 70% off right to the Averderm website using your Save Club codes you can find in your back office. Or if you sell it through the marketplace or purchase it through the marketplace, we'll apply that commission into the Save Club matrix and get that all spun up and paid out there. So for those of you that are looking for a way to earn extra income with Save Club, it starts by being an affiliate. As an affiliate with Save Club, you get access to the back office here. The back office is loaded with access to the products, everything from our healthcare products to our elite travel, our tools where you can track your organization and also share the different products through the websites. Now, these websites that are replicated, we're coming out with more and more websites that will be dedicated to the products inside of the marketplace, either the lines of products or individual products directly, so that you as Save Club affiliates can then market a product directly. And when people go to purchase that product, they do it directly through the marketplace and you earn a direct commission. It's a way to be able to sell something that you like, that you believe in, and earn a direct commission, have people on your team do the same thing. And that's what makes the Save Club opportunity very powerful, that we've got so many different tools built to help you grow and build your income. So, uh, with Save Club, I'm going to walk you through the different ways that you can get started as an affiliate or as a member with Save Club. If you're checking out Save Club for the first time, I highly recommend you first start by using the mobile app. You can download the mobile app for free. You don't have to be a paid member or subscriber at Save Club to use the mobile app. You just need a USA phone number. When you have the app, you're eligible to earn a bonus of $5 just for using the app. But what's awesome is that you can be sharing the app as many times as you'd like. And every time you give away the app with the $5, you get $5. That's our Give Five, Get Five program. And it's a way for you to participate in Save Club as a free member. You get to experience the product, some of the product and the savings that come along with that. The other ways to be a member at Save Club are as a product using member, which is $19.97 a month. This gets you set up as a member where you can access the savings, you can access the back office, and find deals in travel and all the other areas. Now, to earn income as an affiliate with Save Club, it's an annual fee of $60 plus the $19.97 a month. And that puts you into position to where you can be earning income at Save Club as an affiliate. It gives you all the tools that you'll need to promote the business and get paid every single Friday. And when you get started as a member or an affiliate at Save Club, you'll get a 2-night, 3-day vacation, good at over 40 different destination cities. This comes from our travel partner. They've been in business for over 38 years. They literally pre-purchase millions of hotel rooms annually, and you get a pull from that inventory as you use your enrollment bonus to get the 2-night, 3-day stay. So again, if you become a affiliate or a member with Save Club today, you'll get that enrollment bonus in your welcome email. Now, to fully maximize the comp plan, the compensation program here at Save Club, the way to do that is as a VIP affiliate. It's $299.97. That locks you in for 12 months to be an affiliate at Save Club, where you'll be eligible to get paid every single Friday, and there's no monthly fee. You cover your whole year in one shot at $299.97, and that gives you access to everything that we have here to build your business, grow your opportunity at Save Club, from unlimitedly sharing the app to having access to all the different marketing websites and funnels and marketing tools, to being able to access our 90-day blitz training and so much more. So to get started, to get locked into a position with Save Club, become an affiliate or a member, simply get back to the person who introduced you to Save Club, get upgraded to become an affiliate or member. Do it before midnight tonight. Friday night is our cutoff date. By locking in your position before midnight Pacific time tonight, you'll be locked into the best possible place inside of the Save Club matrix and be in position to start saving and earning with the company. So guys, with this, we've got so many exciting things on the verge of being launched here with Save Club, with our new products, with the different direct sales landing pages. More and more people are getting their hands on the sky level products and experiencing the power of what's going on there. That right now, those products are being exclusively sold through Save Club, and we're going to continue that and continue growing that product line as well. So, with that, everybody, I want to thank you for popping in on this Friday. As I get back here traveling from around the world, to the United States. We have a series of exciting things here to launch off here with Save Club, and really looking forward to what we can do here throughout the summer. So thank you for attending. Get back with your prospects, get back with the people taking a look at Save Club, and get them started. Get them their enrollment bonus, and in position to start saving and earning here with Save Club in 2026. So, with that, everybody, I want to thank you for attending the Friday call. Keep an eye out for what we've got dropping here the rest of this month and this next week. I'll be back here in the United States. We have some affiliates traveling out to Las Vegas here as well. If you find your way in Las Vegas, definitely hit me up and get dialed in more into what we're doing here, that some of the local team building that we have going on in different regions within the country. So thank you so much. Thanks for attending. Have a wonderful Friday, and we'll see you next week.
Enjoy the rest of your trip, Charles.
Thanks, Pete. Have a good one.